Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. On a daily time frame chart, Litecoin has recently broken out this down channel, and after the breakout, the price and also formed this rising wedge pattern as well. Recently, we had a fake out from this rising wedge pattern, and the price and again re-entered the same rising wedge pattern. By the way, here we have also found another down trend line resistance, that's by the way coming from here. You can see that we got rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that we are watching right now. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 2nd of October 2024 with my members, and this signal has produced almost 21% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let's begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 22nd, not 22nd, on 2nd of October 2024, in the first week of this current month. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Litecoin completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone, and the sell target zone, and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 21% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern in the previous month on 9th of September 2024. And this move was also formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 18% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks or month, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And before the breakout, the price formed this rising wedge pattern and broke out the channel. And here we also had a fake out from this rising wedge pattern as well, but the pricing got rejected by this downtrend line resistance that is coming from here from 30th of June 2024. We got rejections here, 3 or 4 rejections here. Then we got another rejection here, another rejection here. Therefore, we will still need to break out this downtrend and resistance even after the breakout from this wedge. And now if the price then breaks out this rising wedge pattern, then technical target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $87. And in case of breaking down the support, the technical target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $56. And if the price then reaches there, then it can retest the previous resistance of the channel that is already broken out. And it can test this previous resistance as a support. And if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, that is by the way here at the top of the channel, approximately at $100. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this $100 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance for several weeks or months. And before that, it had been breaking as a support here for several months as well. And here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.